When we say we operate above industry standards, FSSC 22000 is one of the reasons why. This is a globally recognized food safety certification built on ISO-based food safety systems.
It's a certification that ensures we have better control of our processes to ensure our food safety is world-class. We have better, more robust processes in place. We have better continuous improvement to ensure that our products have meet quality.
With rigorous third-party audits,
Recognized worldwide.
it goes beyond basic GMP requirements by focusing on systems and consistency, not just a single audit. For brands, this translates to greater assurance in traceability, consistency, and operational discipline as products scale. At the end of the day,
It's about giving brands confidence, knowing Vitaquest is audit ready every day.
and we're committed to delivering what's next the right way.